The alignment on the rear left seems slightly off tolerance here.
Let's rerun the laser scan on that section.
Look at the refraction angle right here.
Yes, the leveling seems absolutely uniform across the panel.
Work sequence complete. All mounts verified.
Confirmed secure. Ready for transfer.
Fit and finish on the dash is perfect.
Verified.
We are clear for the next stage.
Gap is within tolerance here. Seal looks good, flush with the panel.
Alignment on the passenger side is perfect.
Rear bumper clearance is within tolerance. Looks good.
Check the seam right here, it's inconsistent.
Confirmed. The gap analysis shows a 1 millimeter variance.
Status indicators green, gate opening.
Confirmed. Vehicle cleared for exit. Carrier integrity verified. We are clear for outbound.
Confirmed. Final check complete.
All carriers confirmed through the gate.
Good. The manifest is finalized on my end.
The outbound performance data for the metallic SUVs is looking solid.
Yes, the automated systems are resetting faster than projected.
Lane 4 cleared. Reset sequence initiated.
Acknowledged. All systems showing green. Ready for next cycle.
The cycle verification is complete on all units.
Excellent. The quality metrics are well within tolerance.
All systems clear for the next production cycle.
Confirmed. Robo calibration check complete.
Readiness indicators are fully optimized.
Agreed. Initiate the sequence.
Keep it coming slow now. Hold it right there. Clear on the left side, all clear.
All green across the board. The restart is proceeding smoothly.
Confirmed. Monitor the merge point at gate 12.
Alignment complete. Clearances confirmed. Ready for transport.
All green on Sector 4.
Copy that. Sequence remains steady.
Convoy 42 confirmed outbound. All protocols clear.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Gate sequence initiated.